Hello everyone, welcome to the Top Insta Style channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Enjoy your viewing experience. Natali T, born in Brazil, has made a name for herself in the fashion industry as a plus-size model, renowned for her confidence and charisma. She stands as a symbol of body positivity and self-love, inspiring many across the globe. From an early age, Natali exhibited a flair for fashion and a distinctive style. Starting her modeling career from modest beginnings, her resolve and unique appearance quickly set her apart. By embracing her figure, Natali has challenged traditional beauty norms, proving that beauty is diverse. Her ascent in the fashion world is marked by partnerships with esteemed brands and designers who recognize her prowess and the impactful message she represents. Her portfolio includes a variety of campaigns, from upscale editorials to mainstream endeavors, always showcasing her genuine persona. Natali's influence extends beyond her modeling work. She is an outspoken advocate for diversity and inclusivity within the fashion industry. Actively participating in discussions, workshops, and speaking engagements, she encourages others to accept their bodies and pursue their dreams without fear of judgment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.